Welcome to the Formula Foundation. In this video, we will see how to find the determinant of a matrix A when its characteristic polynomial is given. And I hope you know about the characteristic polynomial of a matrix A. That characteristic polynomial of an n by n matrix A is defined as determinant of lambda I minus A. It is the characteristic polynomial. Where lambda is the eigenvalue of a matrix A, right? And you know, when we expand this determinant, then we always get a polynomial of degree n. That is, it is a polynomial. Determinant of lambda I minus A is a polynomial P of lambda, and it's a nth degree polynomial of the form lambda power n plus c1 lambda power n minus 1 plus up to cn. So अगर हमें किसी n by n मैट्रिक्स A की सिर्फ ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन हो तो क्या हम मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं? सो यस, लेट्स सी. So find the determinant of A given that A has a P of lambda as its characteristic polynomial, and our characteristic polynomial is cubic equation. So we are given determinant of lambda I minus A. It's a characteristic polynomial and it is equal to lambda cube minus 2 lambda square plus lambda plus 5. And since given polynomial is a cubic polynomial so matrix A is of order 3 by 3. Now we have to find the determinant of A. So if we write lambda is equal to 0, put lambda is equal to 0 in the equation 1. It's our equation 1. Then we have determinant of minus A. इंस्टेड हम यहाँ पर लैम्डा की वैल्यू 0 पुट करेंगे तो ये क्या होगा? डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ माइनस A. And when we put lambda is equal to 0 on the right hand side, so we have only 5, and it is our equation 2. Now there is a well-known property of the determinant, that determinant of A, we know determinant of k times A is equal to k power n times determinant of A. To understand this property, let's see an example. That for instance, we have a 3 by 3 matrix A. Those entries are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Now let me multiply this matrix by a scalar k. Multiply matrix A with a scalar k. Then k times A is equal to k11, k times A12, k times A13, k times A21, k times A22, k times A23, k times A31 and k times A32 and k times A33. Now let me find the determinant of this matrix k times A. Determinant of k times A is equal to determinant of this matrix. Again we write this matrix. अब इस मैट्रिक्स से डिटर्मिनेंट आप या तो डायरेक्टली फाइंड कर सकते हैं डिटर्मिनेंट के यूजुअल मेथड से, या फिर आप पहले डिटर्मिनेंट की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ करें और फिर उसके बाद डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करें. सो लेट मी फाइंड दिस डिटर्मिनेंट बाय यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट. सो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ k times A is equal to, first we write in the determinant form, in KA33. It's a determinant. नाउ यू नो कि डिटर्मिनेंट की प्रॉपर्टी है कि आप उसकी किसी भी रो में से कोई भी स्केलर कॉमन ले सकते हैं. सो लेट वी टेक अ k as common from the first row. So it becomes k times a11, A12 and A13. Now take k as common from the second row, so it becomes k square, and second row becomes A21, A22 and A23, and similarly take k as common from the third row, so it becomes k cube. Means when we multiply another k with k square, then it becomes k cube. So, and third row is A31, A32 and A33. Now what is this? It is the determinant of A. It means determinant of k times A is equal to k cube times and determinant of, it's a determinant of A. So k cube times determinant of A, that is determinant of k times A is equal to k cube times determinant of A. And generally, because it was the 3 by 3 matrix, so determinant of k times A is equal to k cube times determinant of A. So generally, right here, generally determinant of k times A is equal to k power n times determinant of A. Right. So use this property in equation 2. We have determinant of minus A is equal to minus 1 power n times determinant of A, and it is equal to 5. And since matrix is 3 by 3, because characteristic polynomial is of degree 3, so matrix is 3 by 3, and hence n is equal to 3. So it becomes minus 1 times minus 1 power 3 times determinant of A is equal to 5. And you know minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 times determinant of A is equal to 5. And determinant of A, when we multiply minus 1 both sides, then we have determinant of A is equal to minus 5. Now let's see another example. So we have another characteristic polynomial, and again we are required to find the determinant of A. And you know determinant of the characteristic polynomial is equal to determinant of lambda I minus A, where lambda is an eigenvalue, is equal to lambda power 4 minus lambda cube plus 7, and put lambda is equal to 0. Then we have determinant of minus A is equal to plus 7. Now since determinant of minus A is equal to minus 1 power n times determinant of A, so minus 1 power, because our characteristic polynomial is of degree 4, so it means our given matrix is 4 by 4. So minus 1 power 4 times determinant of A is equal to 7, and minus 1 power 4 is equal to 1. So determinant of A is equal to 7. So अगर आपके पास किसी मैट्रिक्स की सिर्फ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन हो, तो आप इस तरह से उस मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं. एंड रिमेंबर दैट अगर उस पॉलिनोमियल की कांस्टेंट टर्म 0 हो तो डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होगा. सो आई होप इट विल बी प्रोडक्टिव फॉर यू. दैट्स इट.